Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used to minimize a function by iteratively moving towards the steepest descent as defined by the negative of the gradient. It's commonly used in machine learning and deep learning to minimize the loss function. Overview of gradient descent. 1. Objective: minimize a function \f, \theta, where \theta represents the parameters of the function. 2. Gradient: the gradient \nabla f, \theta, is a vector of partial derivatives. It points in the direction of the steepest increase of the function. 3. Update rule: the parameters are updated in the opposite direction of the gradient. \theta equals \theta, \alpha nabla f, \theta. Where \alpha is the learning rate, a hyperparameter that controls how much to change the parameters. Steps to implement gradient descent. 1. Define the function to minimize. This could be a simple quadratic function for demonstration purposes. 2. Compute the gradient. This involves calculating the derivative of the function. 3. Update the parameters iteratively. Use the update rule mentioned above. 4. Monitor convergence. Check if the change in the function value is below a certain threshold. Example: gradient descent on a quadratic function. Let's implement gradient descent from scratch to minimize the function f x equals x caret 2 plus 4x plus 4 \. Step 1. Define the function and its gradient. Python. Import numpy as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Define the function. Def f x. Return x2 plus 4x plus 4. Define the gradient of the function. Def df x. Return 2 asterisk x plus 4. Step 2. Implement the gradient descent algorithm. Python. Def gradient underscore descent, starting underscore point, learning underscore rate, number underscore iterations. X equals starting underscore point. X underscore history equals x. Store the history of x values for plotting. For underscore in range, number underscore iterations. X equals x, learning underscore rate asterisk df, x, update the parameter. X underscore history dot append, x, record history. Return x, x underscore history. Step 3, run the gradient descent. Python. Parameters. Starting underscore point equals 0, starting point for x. Learning underscore rate equals 0.1 learning rate. Number underscore iterations equals 50 number of iterations. Run gradient descent. Optimal underscore x, history equals gradient underscore descent, starting underscore point, learning underscore rate, number underscore iterations. Print, f optimal x, optimal underscore x. Print, f function value at optimal x, f, optimal underscore x. Step 4, visualize the results. Python. Plotting the function and the path taken by gradient descent. X underscore vals equals np.linspace, -6, 2, 100. Y underscore vals equals f, x underscore vals. plt.figure, fig size equals 10, 6. plt.plot, x underscore vals, y underscore vals, label equals f, x, equals x caret 2 plus 4x plus 4. plt.scatter, history, f, np.array, history, color equals red, label equals gradient descent path. plt.title, gradient descent optimization. plt.slabel, x. plt.elabel, f, x. plt.acline, 0, color equals black, line width equals 0.5, ls equals. plt.axvline, 0, color equals black, line width equals 0.5, ls equals. plt.legend. plt.grid. plt.show. Explanation of the code. One function and gradient, we defined a quadratic function and its derivative. 2 gradient descent function, this function takes a starting point, learning rate, and number of iterations to perform gradient descent. It updates the parameter \x iteratively. 3 visualization, we plotted the function and the path taken by the gradient descent algorithm to show how it converges towards the minimum. Conclusion. Gradient descent is a powerful optimization technique widely used in machine learning. In this tutorial, we implemented it from scratch for a simple quadratic function. You can extend this approach to more complex functions, including those used in machine learning models, such as linear regression and neural networks. Adjusting the learning rate and the number of iterations can significantly affect the convergence speed and the solution's accuracy.